This one. Oh, these are nice. Should be traction up there. Oh, they don't talk. These rolled armors. But they got fully modernized. I'm pretty sure these cabs are new too. See if we can switch up here. Yep, we'll switch up here. Look at the lanterns. Oh, look at those lanterns. Those are cool lanterns. Look at those. I like the black and like the wood design. It's cool. Very cool lanterns. Same one came back, really? We're gonna have to keep this one busy. Give me a different one. I know this one works. Whoa, look at that. Oh. Look at the drop keyhole. Looks like there's a pair of eyes. Looks like this one's the service. We'll get a look at this one. We probably won't spend too much time on this one. Oh, if someone needs it, we'll get off. Okay, where is the third one? It's on one, I think. Send you off. It smells good down here. That lantern's crooked. Hopefully this one comes. Ah, dang it. Alright, we'll have to play the elevator hunt game and figure out where this other one is. It's also on one. We'll get it. We'll get the cabbie on this one. This one's very nice. The other one's probably gonna be just as nice. Otis maintains. There we go. Let's wait for it to close. There we go. Series M2. I like the bronze. We used to have the this car up lanterns on the first floor. I saw a video of these yesterday. These could have talked, quite honestly. So this is 900 Merchants Concourse. There it goes, and that's it.